Okay, how to factory reset your TCL Roku TV. Well, you want to hit the home button on your remote, okay, to go home, which is where we're at. Then you go down to settings. Oopsie. And then you go all the way down here to system. I guess we could have went up, right? Come down here to advanced system settings. And then factory reset. And of course, oopsie. Factory reset. Going over, you can reset just the TV, audio, and picture by pressing the play pause button 3 times. And it does not affect anything else, it's just the audio and picture settings. Or you can go down to factory reset everything, and then it'll give you a code right here to enter into the thing. It changes the code every single time, so it's not like you're going to be able to remember it because now it's 3714. So you type it in. All right, 7 1 4. Then you click OK. It'll factory reset for you.